In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Security. Now click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to create it and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And choose Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Lastly, answer this question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? By tapping on the best answer for you. I don't want any notifications, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all. And click on Done. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!